Bitfarms operates data centers full of miners. They sell computational power to mining pool operators under a formula known as full pay per share, FPPS. Payments for this service can be in cryptocurrency, US dollars. They have 15 operating Bitcoin data centers across 4 countries: Canada, the United States, Paraguay, and Argentina. Bitfarms owns proprietary software called the MGMT system that controls, manages, reports, and secures their mining operations. The system monitors the performance of all miners by scanning their status, location, computing power, and temperature. It was upgraded in 2022 and is continually updated to improve functionality. The company contributes its computational power for hashing calculations to mining pool operators and receives payment in Bitcoin. The company's strategy focuses on diversification beyond Bitcoin mining into areas like energy generation, trading, heat recycling, and HPC and AI. They source electrical power from various clean hydroelectricity sources and have acquired up to 307 megawatts of power capacity through the acquisition of Stronghold. The company also engages in HPC AI consultations for potential conversion of their data centers. Their proprietary software suite, MGMT2, controls, manages, reports, and secures mining operations. They are currently transitioning to LOD, a third-party miner management software offering enhanced capabilities in fleet management. The profitability of Bitcoin mining for the company depends on the price of Bitcoin and network difficulty. The company would consider pausing mining activities if revenue per terahash drops below 2 cents due to high network difficulty and low Bitcoin prices. In 2024, their average direct cost per Bitcoin was approximately $40,800, and they could continue mining profitably if the price dropped to this level. If the price falls further without a corresponding decrease in network difficulty, the company may pause mining temporarily. They may also consider reducing the clock rate of their miners for greater electrical efficiency and lower direct cost per BTC. Bitfarms implemented a digital asset management program in January 2021, which allows them to retain Bitcoin mined instead of selling it at market rates. They use this program to manage their digital assets, retaining some through custodial arrangements with Coinbase Custody and Anchorage Digital. Both custodians hold Bitcoin in cold wallets, and transfers require multiple approvals from the executive team. The company also has contingency plans in place for potential challenges with custodians. The company holds its crypto assets, currently in BTC, in multi-signature wallets it controls. They transfer BTC to external third-party custodians like Coinbase Custody and Anchorage Digital on a regular basis. These custodians do not use sub-custodians and are unrelated parties. Both custodians maintain insurance policies for their storage facilities, but there's no guarantee that the full limits would cover the company in case of losses or thefts. The company holds 1,446 BTC, valued at $125.1 million USD on its balance sheet, with 76% held in custody by Coinbase Custody and Anchorage Digital. The company has implemented 2 strategies for managing risk associated with its digital assets: a hedging program and a synthetic HODL program. The hedging program involves using financial derivatives such as BTC options and futures contracts to hedge up to 50% of the company's monthly BTC compensation and up to 6 months of expected future compensation. This resulted in a loss of $1.3 million USD during the year ended December 31st, 2024, mainly due to premiums for option contracts. The synthetic HODL program aims to replicate BTC exposure using derivatives and volatility targeting instruments, allowing the company to utilize excess cash flow from operations for capital growth programs. This strategy led to a gain of $17 million USD during the same period. In February 2025, Bitfarms launched Bitcoin One, a quantitative investment program that manages digital assets using diversified strategies, including market timing and leverage. Their mining operations utilize specialized ASIC hardware, primarily from MicroBT and Bitmain technologies, which include chips, power supplies, network components, security systems, and cooling mechanisms. Bitfarms' expansion efforts have taken place in places like the United States, Argentina, Canada, and Paraguay, with plans to increase electrical infrastructure to raise the total farms they have, along with their operational hash rate. For more on Bitfarms and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.